right, so a lot of people have been messaging me about, hey, you know, like, what's the best place to start Forex? The best place to start Forex before you get any course or any formal education is going to be here. Go to babypips.com, go to this website, how to trade Forex, and then you're going to get to this preschool, go through this preschool course outline, go through kindergarten, learn about brokers, go through elementary, support resistance levels and Japanese candlesticks. This is going to get your basics down. This is going to get comfortable with the terms and, like, you know, what kind of terms we use and stuff like that. And yeah, I mean, till then it's going to be awesome. And then next is going to be go to YouTube and type in how to use MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4, and you're going to get to this video and learn how to use this platform. Download it. Go to any brokerage website and download the platform and play around with it, because this is going to be where all your trading is going to go. Got all the basics down, the platform down. Next, what I want you to do is go to my YouTube page, WicksDontLie, and you're going to get to, and then go to sort by and go to like oldest to newest videos. And then what's going to happen is then you can watch this webinar. Really good webinar. The signs, looking to Forex in life, takes you from the basics to sort of like how to read candles. And next we have a lot more important videos right over here. How to identify support resistance, how to identify support resistance like the second version, how to actually trade candles in wicks. Then I did some virtual class videos like what are wick fills, the simple explanation. This is really simple concept for trading, right? Candles, Forex entries and counter trends like impulse entries, and then how to read market structure. Really important too. We got, oh, nice, 24,000 views, right? So all this information is going to get you ready towards basic price action. And then if you want, you can go get a course, man. Get market fluidity course, get some other course, whatever you want to do, but that's going to help you a lot.